VCK is contesting in this parliament election and assembly elections. This is first step for our party. We are emerging party in Andhra Pradesh. We do not expect that we will win in this election, but we will consolidate our votes. That is, Ambedkarite voters. Here in Andhra Pradesh, Ambedkarites are strong. Elections. Only one parliamentary constituency, Guntur parliamentary constituency, our party cadre, Mr. Ratna Raju, is contesting on Kuntakurtu party symbol. Only one constituency parliament elections. 9 candidates are contesting from our party in assembly elections, including our party state president, N.J. Vidyasagar. He is contesting from Guntur assembly constituency in the same party symbol. In Konnur, Dr. Manika Rao is our candidate contesting in party symbol. Like this, our candidates, 9 candidates are contesting in party symbol. This is our first step in the politics. We do not bother about the winning or losing. In Tamil Nadu, we are with the India Bloc Alliance, DMK headed alliance. We got 2 seats from DMK alliance, Chidambaram and Vizhupuram. Myself contested in the same Chidambaram constituency again in the same party symbol. Our party General Secretary Dr. Ravi Kumar is contesting in the same Vizhupuram reserved constituency in the party symbol. Definitely we will win in both constituencies and we will get recognition from Election Commission of India in this time. In Tamil Nadu, we are one of the main political party in the DMK headed alliance, which belongs to India Bloc. We met PCC President of Andhra Pradesh, Mrs. Sharmila, some of week back, but we didn't get seats from Congress party in Andhra Pradesh. So that, as we decided earlier, we fielded our candidates in 9 constituencies in assembly, 1 constituency in parliament. Except these constituencies, we are extending our support to the candidates of Congress party in Andhra Pradesh. We do not support BJP headed alliance. Our only one agenda to defeat BJP ruling. So I request all the people of Andhra Pradesh not to vote BJP and BJP allied parties. Why? Because then only we can protect our nation and our constitution, which made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So once again, I request all the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and so on, kindly vote for India Bloc, except we are contesting in both states.
Thank you.